He was in there 3 minutes. The man looked at the I don't care. I don't care.
Exactly. If you don't care, I don't care.
There's a truck right there now. Did y'all get that great truck that's sitting there?
No, it's not blocking. It's not blocking.
Yes, it is. The police just said. The police just said. And it better not be nothing wrong with it either. Because you dragged me. He must be getting a cut of the money the man y'all working with. $250 all the way down here. And I'm posting this on YouTube too. I'm posting this too. These are crooks. They towing people cars in Hammond. I don't care. These are crooks stealing cars and shit.
You mad because you can't read?
No. You mad because you're a thief. You're a thief. Y'all thieves. You're thieves. That's what it is. And ain't no way it should be no damn 250. Yeah, right. These are fucking crooks in Hammond. Watch your cars. Fucking thieves. No, you mad you can't read. You mad you can't read.
They're all there, man.
We graduated, baby.
So did we.
We're good. Good. So what? So what? So what? He a boss. He a boss.
You got snatched.
Nah.
You got snatched.
Nah.
Boss got snatched.
Yeah, because you a fucking thief. You a fucking thief.
If you say so, go fix
fucking
it before you
bitch.
talk to me.
You a bitch ass nigga. You a thief. He's a thief. He talking shit.
Nah, I'm telling you the truth. You over here talking
shit. Talking shit. That's all right. That's all right. We ain't from no Hammond, baby. We from Chicago. Good. We are too. Good. We from Chicago too. I don't give a fuck about you. Fucking thief. You a thief. You a thief. No, you a hood rat. Your mama hood rat. Your mama hood rat. You don't know shit about me. You don't know shit about me.
Hey, I ain't calling no.
Oh, I heard you. I heard you on the phone. I heard you on the phone. Ain't even no garage down here for no towing. That man up there say ain't no garage over here. Y'all don't even supposed to be towing stuff. Bitch ass. They claim it's a garage back here. They stealing your cars at the corner store in Hammond. So watch your shit up there. And charging you $250. Don't make no sense.